Yo, what's going on, peeps? Hopefully everybody's Christmas and New Year's was pretty good. We starting off fresh, man, coming into the 2022 with a G20 video. And in this video, we're gonna be installing the power window motors, okay? It's the power window motors. And the reason I'm emphasizing on that is because in the video, when I recorded it, I kept saying power window regulator for some reason. I don't know why I was doing that. But anyway, it's the power window motors that we're installing in the G20. All right, let's get into it, man. What's up, peeps? So what we're about to do right now, man, is we finna change the actual window regulator in the Chevy G20. And I'm finna go or try to demonstrate step by step what you got to do to change that. Let's make it happen. So first thing you want to do, guys, is I'm going to start with the driver's side first. So obviously we have to take all the trim off. So make sure you guys have your power drill, or your arms or hands are going to get very tired unscrewing these, okay? So yeah, that's what we're about to do. Take the trimming off so we can gain access to the back side and the actual regulator. Let's get it. All right, guys. So here we go. We got all the trim off. Pretty much I just placed it all right here. I left most of the screws in the panels. That way I don't get none of the hardware mixed up. Okay. Got the blue side trim off sitting right there. And to get to the actual regulator, it's mounted on with this bracket right here. You can see in here. And there's 3 screws or 3 bolts that you gotta unhook that actually mates this regulator to this right here. It's 3 bolts. They take a 13 milliliter open end wrench. One's down here. There was one right here, which is the easiest one to locate, and then there's one right up there. See if I can get a better view. Yeah, right up there. Okay, so basically once you release those, then the regulator pops right out. Okay, this is the old one. Oh, I'm going too far. You want to unplug them too. That regulator's plugged in, so you want to actually unplug it before you take it out. That way you don't damage none of the wires there. But anywho, we got the old regulator out, and we're finna pop the new one in. Okay, before you actually put it in, you got to make sure you have some of these regulators don't come with these brackets. This is the actual mounting bracket that you will need to mount it onto the chassis here. So if you don't have it with the new one, I do. It's actually right here. If you don't have it with the new one though, because some of them don't come with it, all you gotta do is take this off and then clean it up a little bit and place it onto the new one. That way, once you stick the regulator back in the door, you have something to mount it with. Okay, so that's what we're about to do right now. Mount this bracket on here and then place it back in and give it a go. All right, guys, I got it all the way in there. It's kind of dark, so yeah, but I bolted up the 3 bolts that actually mounted the regulator on there. So let's give it a go. Okay. And excess granite. That's simple. Okay, passenger side. There we go. And we're good. So that's basically how you install the window regulators in the Chevy G20. All right. Catch you guys on the flip side.